Hello and welcome to this guide on how to share your mobile screen on your laptop using Windows 11. You don't need any third-party software, USB cables, or wires. Everything will be done wirelessly and efficiently. Open the Start menu and click on Settings to access the main configuration options on your laptop. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab located on the left-hand side. Scroll down within the system settings and locate the option called Projecting to this PC and click on it to proceed. If the screen mirroring options are unavailable, it means the wireless display feature is not installed. To install it, ensure your laptop is connected to a stable internet connection. In the same settings menu, find and click on Optional Features. When you click on Optional Features, you'll see an option to add optional features. Next to it, you'll find the View Features button. Click on View Features, and a box will open in front of you, displaying the details. Use the search bar to look for Wireless Display, and once found, select it and click on Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installing the wireless display feature, return to the Projecting to this PC settings. Adjust the settings for optimal use by setting. This PC can be discovered for projection to Available Everywhere, and under the Ask to Project to this PC section, select First Time Only for pairing requests. At the top, you'll see the option for wireless display. Once you click on it, the wireless features will be enabled, allowing your system to cast seamlessly. On your phone, connect to the same Wi-Fi network that your laptop is connected to. Open the screen mirroring, screencast, or wireless display settings on your phone. This option might have different names depending on your device. Look for your laptop in the list of available devices displayed on your phone and select it to start the connection. Once the connection is established, your phone screen will be mirrored on your laptop. You can now view your phone content on a larger screen, play games, or watch videos effortlessly. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, please share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.